What is going on, guys? Tony's Classics here. So I think this is part 6. So it has been a while since we've been at Wraptors. So we're here now. We are dropping off our 1552 wheels. So we're gonna put it on about my jacket, about my tools. Our devices are low, so I might not be able to get all the footage. I don't think the wrap is done, but we're here to print off all the decals, so I'm gonna help them out to speed the process. We got all the files ready, got my laptop ready. We're gonna go in, we're gonna film, and just let's get my reaction so far. So let's go in and check it out. Actually, just like grab my things. All right, let me flip the camera. All right, here we go. Oh, buddy's wrapping it right now. Jeez. Ooh, 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 ew, ew, ew. No spoilers, so. It's been a while since we've seen it. Damn. I'm hyped, the color's nice. This is my first time seeing the blue in person. Damn, I like it. Holy shit, I see the vision. So yeah, I'm gonna print off all the decals today and then we're gonna go from there.
I get more change in the highs, I know I can never get back, so I'm always on low.
Alright guys, we got the wheels on. It looks so good. Check this out. So we just printed all the stickers with Donnie. We're pretty blessed right now. Wheels are on, wrap's almost done. Then we gotta put the side skirts on, get the bumpers fitted properly, and we are done, and that is it. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.